I am Yuvraj, third year BBA, Secretary of Management and Studies. I welcome all the professor and students on behalf of the Department of Management and Studies. Let's start the program with a quote said by Oprah Winfrey. Create the highest, grandest vision possible for your life because you become what you believe. Now I request our HOD Dr. A. Narmada to deliver the welcome address and introduction of our chief guest.
Good evening. Thank you, Yuvraj. Good evening, students. I am Dr. K. Narmada, Head of the Department of Management Studies. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome all of you for the Day 2 Orientation Program organized by Department of Management Studies. First of all, I would like to give a few introductory lines about our chief guest, Mrs. Vanadi Gopikrishna. She has teaching experience at illustrious institutions like Madras Christian College, DG Vaishnava College, etc., and contact classes for distance education program in the University of Madras. She is also freelance soft skill trainer for corporate and technical institutions. Today's topic is career opportunity for BBA and BCom ISM. Yes, there are several career options are available to the students after completing the graduate degree in BBA and BCom ISM. But not all the students are aware of the different routes that can take to establish a successful career. Let us discuss the available career options after BBA and BCom ISM so that may consider for stable job opportunities in the future. You will be surprised to see some career choices our chief guest is going to mention here. Once again, I welcome you, ma'am, for the wonderful session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request our chief guest and Ms. Vanati Gopi Krishna, assistant professor and soft skill trainer, to deliver the chief guest address. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Narmada ma'am. Thank you, Yuvraj, for giving an introduction about me. It is an immense pleasure in joining with you all and the freshers gathered here with all other faculties of your department. Thank you for inviting me and discussing about your career program. Now, when we talk about your business management, when it comes about your Bachelor of Business Management, your UG, so you will be having a lot of drinks about how to, to take the subjects wise and when it comes to the BBA, when you're talking about your BBA, when you're going to get into the BBA, now when we talk about the DB Jain College, as far as the visiting faculty that I have done in the BA program also and also in the MBA program, which I have visited, I have seen a vast, versatile subjects which they're providing for the students, that which I can very much intensely, which I can very much tell about it. I can also say the particular subjects which will help you in your internship programs also. The internship durations, if I'm not wrong, it will go for 30 to 60 days. They might give you. It differs from college to college, but DB Jain's College, they are giving you the best time period for your internship programs. And they are also of a very best helping hands. Students who are freshers sitting here, that you will find the best companies. So there are students who are going and doing it on their own companies. They also hunt for the companies for the internship programs. It comes to the faculty's point of view and some of the helping hands from the placement cell. You can also see they are giving you the best support to get into the internship programs. And the subjects, as I told you, all it is a very versatile subjects. The subjects are going to really help you in your placement program tomorrow when it comes into the campus interviews. Now, when we talk about campus interviews, you have seen companies like Cape Gemini, and there are other companies. You just list it out. You have IT companies which is gathering around to help you in this campus interview. The banking sectors which is coming around. So always people think that the students from the BCom department would have more and more opportunities in getting into the banking. Please wipe away from your. When it comes into the banking companies, you have a lot of versatile, what you call it as, opportunities of the business management and the business administration students also. because when it comes into the banking, I'm just talking about the section of banking for the placement and tomorrow for the future job opportunities pattern. Here, what I'm coming, because I have been a soft skill trainer also, and I have seen the students who don't have a better of knowledge about where I'm going to get placed, which is a platform that is right for me. So all wonderful professors around you. So talking about Narmada Madam, head of the department. Sorry, somebody. Okay, so we have the HR Human Resource Management, which is taken by Anvalagan sir in BBA, and entrepreneurial development, which is a wonderful subject, which is going to help you in your placement also. So that is by Blissy Rachel ma'am. I think she's here in our meeting today, and we also have Raghavan sir. I haven't met him, but I've heard a lot about him. And he's in business mathematics and business statistics. Okay, so please learn these subjects. These are some of the subjects which is really going to give you in the market. You're going to be the freshers after you finish this in the market. The statistics, mathematics, business mathematics, and the business statistics are some of the papers, some of the subjects in which you're going to learn in your program is really going to support you a lot, and that is going to give you an extra confidence for your placement also. So it's very important. And the next one is when we talk about the strategic management, coming back to the Shanmugam sir, who is in the strategic management. Strategic management is another beautiful subject. See, the learning of this subject is clearing of the papers is not what you're going to do. So placement, when it comes to the placement, when you come to the job opportunities, it's knowing the subject is what is all about, which your faculty. I heard a lot about her. I haven't attended your class. If I was a student, I would have definitely done that. So it is one of the backbone for your business education, business administration UG program. Your marketing management. Please understand one thing. Your campus interview, whatever the placement cell is trying to put you as a fresher, it's very important that marketing management is it's one of the major subjects which will really help you. Really, it will help you in structurizing you how to face the campus interview and how to face the market outside once you step outside finishing your course. So make the best use of this. So it's like when we talk about human resource management, people always say when it is a HR, it is like allotting the people. Please don't think like that. Never come out of that. That boundaries are long gone. Placement, when it comes in the HR point of view, a placement is something like you have to be very clear about. It is not like a PG or a UG level. Those days are gone. Please understand. You have to step into this world in such a mindset that you need an extra knowledge. You can parallelly get some extra knowledge. You have the best use of you can do the best use of our library where you can find beautiful human resource management books. And when we talk about the human resource management and when you're getting into that platform, make your mindset very clear. And you all, I have heard the final year students, many people in the soft skill area program, and also the corporates, they used to say, when I was in a college, when I was doing my business administration course, I just decided I wanted to be in a HR because they think that the HR is a different pattern of a platform. No, it is not like that. You need to know a human law, what are the forms, what are the applications in the human law, you need to know labor law. All these are the extra fittings now the market is looking for on a fresher in case if they would like to step into the platform of human resource management in the HR area. So it is not like those days where it used to be a plain. So make the best use of it, support your, take the best support of your faculties whom you have around. So the entrepreneurial development, it is like you have the best way of learning your economical pattern also. You also know about your the way of the small scale industries, what is the best way you can make use of it. So you won't believe, like when I was in Madras Christian College, the entrepreneurial development is used to be an allied subject for the students. And I was so surprised to see these types of the allied subjects were not just given for the BBA students alone. When that subject was handled by me, that particular classroom will be filled by the BCom students, literature students, politics students, people who study that, and also business administration students. So you have a lot of people, and sometimes I even see visual media. Those students also coming and sitting in the entrepreneurial development. So you never know where the subject exactly supports you. So make the best use of it. If you get the ED, entrepreneurial development, which is a short form, we say it as ED and the small scale industries. SSI, ED and SSI. Make the best use of it. I think we have Lazi Rachel ma'am here who's going to teach you. She's really going to give you the best classroom. Please make the best use of it and learn the economical pattern of it. Learn all the system in India. What are the systems thoroughly, which is going to help you in that. That's very important. And after all these subjects, what you have learned, when you talk about the soft skill, it is something in the first year. I have just given 2 classes for soft skill program for the account students. And when they said, ma'am, this is my soft skill training program class. So we didn't, our faculty is absent. Our faculty is absent today. So you are going to take a class for this. So one classroom when I went in the college, that is what it happened. So when I came to know, I was surprised. The first year itself is soft skill training program they are giving. So that means what? You are getting structurized. They are making you into a proper shape to bring you out into the best piece into the market. How to dress up? How do you face an interview? How do you value yourself? How do you rate yourself? These are the things you need to know in a soft skill program. So these are the things which you will understand, which in case even you don't know about what you know. Some things which I don't know about myself, people might make you understand. These are these things, these are the skills that you have. You can nourish it, you can nurture it, bring it out. So which will help you in understanding or improving your personality. These things will come under in these types of the programs, and you people are very lucky to have such programs in your first years. So please do continue in doing that, which is very important. Now, when we talk about the placement, there are a lot of companies which is coming as a campus interviews for the DB Jain colleges, which I have heard, and very good IT companies also, banking sectors also, and other customer care which is coming, and which is a customer care in sense it is not like a very simple companies. You can also find a customer care sections from a very vast mega companies which is looking for the freshers. So what you need, basically what you need for all these types of structure for the placements, you need to have the best language. So please understand that. Have some discipline in the class and do the language. The best improvement of the language should come from you. So please do that. And as a soft skill program is going to help you in that, I think you can make the best use of it. Now when it comes to once you finish your BBA, now what are some of the things that when you students might be having some programs running in your head when you come into the final year. You'll be saying that I want to be a business person. I want to join an IT company. I want to travel abroad and I want to work there. I want to start my own restaurant. So these are the things that I've heard from lot of students. But I'm also happy to see some of the students have settled in a certain way what they have told me or shared me in the class. So that is because the dedication that they give towards their subject, their studies and all that. So improve yourself in this. When there is a campus interview, please make the best use of it. And the subjects which I gave you for your upcoming years, please make the best use of the subject. This college is going to support you a lot, and the campus and the placement cell is also going to support you a lot. Unless or otherwise, you give your complete dedication in how to do it. This will definitely, these type of the support will definitely come into your hand, unless or otherwise if you're going to do it. That one I can very much assure. See, because I have been a visiting faculty here and being an MBA in an MBA department, so I have seen the pattern how the professors are doing their best to bring out the students of the classroom. Now, anything else that if you'd like to give me any questions on your topic or anything of about this session, please let me know. The students can you can unmute your mic and you can talk to me. Or you can put it in your chat box. You can open the chat box and you can talk to me. Any of the doubts or anything? Okay, fine. Now, the next one is your, when I talk about your BBA and talk about your BCom, the BCom students, this also applies to the BBA students. As I told you, they all say that I'll go as a substitute, go as a small substitute for an auditor and I'm going to do a part-time job. This I have come across with a lot of students who completed their BCom. Why like that? When it comes to the BCom, you people are going to really rule the subject if you're very good in your managerial accounting and in the financial accounting, these areas. This is really going to help you in a very great way when you step into the PG case after your PG is going to help you as a part-time job also. You can take a part-time job and you can do your PG also. So an MBA part, in case you're going to do an MBA, these subjects are really going to help you a lot because this is almost the same, almost the basic platform what you have learned in your UG, here, is going to help you in that. So make up your mind in such a way and then you work out. See, first and the foremost thing, the starting of the program, the starting of your first year or the second year, whatever the subjects that you are having, the one thing is knowing how I'm going to schedule myself. That is very important. Scheduling yourself is very important. And what subject can help me in my future in what way? That is one more thing which you need to know. Okay, so these are the things you need to understand. So as I told you, business mathematics, this is going to help you. And when you get into the some type of the entrepreneurial development, when you get into an entrepreneur or if you want to develop yourself as a business person, these are the subjects is going to be very handy. You cannot trust nowadays in anyone. Okay, the next one is a computer science. As I told you, technical. When there is a support of a technical, only you can exist nowadays, survive in the market. That's very important. So when few colleges I have seen the campus interviews, the placements, they are arranging for a lot of the international calls, the call histories, the international customer care calls. Okay, and the payment is quite very good. And as an youngsters, you people are very happy to go and join the job. At this age, you're also very, very happy to, you don't mind taking up a night shift. So these are all there. But what do you need for all these things? A technical support. So when you are learning the subject, we have the best lab, computer lab in your college. Please make the best use of it. And as I said, Professor Shalini Madam, Venkatachalam sir, who is going to give you the support in this particular subject. Kindly take all the doubts, whatever you have in that, clear it then and there, make the best as attendance in the college. And all the extracurricular activities as it comes, you can also take through that. Then extra fittings that you need to know, which you won't find it much in your books or the syllabus. There are the little bit of the difference that you see when it comes into the campus interview, the HR, human resource management, anything in the HR pattern or anything in the HR platform, you're going to apply and you're going to sit there. Please make sure there are certain rules and regulations in this particular subject are known to you. The explanations that they ask, okay, you are then and there clear enough to explain it. So the subject should be very clear to you. And as I think Anbaragan sir must be knowing it. Sir, are you sir? Are you there? I think Anbaragan sir is here. I think Anbalagan sir, so with the students, the best HR books so that they can not panic during the campus interviews. Every year, the version keeps on changing. Gary Dessler. So you can take the best notes from him. You can take all the tips from sir. He'll be able to give you more than the Indian authors. Okay, because now you're going to step into the marketing, the market, the freshers. As a freshers, you're going to get into the corporate world. You cannot know which type of a company you're going to work. You may work in an international company also. You may work in a corporate which belongs to the Indian company also. But when you take the syllabus, when you take and study, go through the materials such as Gary Dessler, they keep updating the rules. The versions every year changes because it's no more like a old version. Now the things has been changed. Okay. Now, like for a best example, what I can give is there was a rule that has been latest from the banks. There might be the commerce students might be knowing, and even the BBA students might be knowing. Your seniors might be knowing. People who have misused the card. Somebody who have taken away the cards from you. Okay, some credit card, they have used it, and without your knowledge. The banks should be, when you file a complaint, the bank should be responsible for it, and within the period of time, those particular amounts should be credited back into your account. Though you are complaining it in a cybercrime and also in your local police station, and a version copy of that is being produced in your bank. Other than that, the bank's responsibility, whether this fellow is given a justice or not, it is the responsibility of the bank to come and to credit the particular amount at particular certain period of time. So many people doesn't know that, unless or otherwise we actually experience it. Go and step into the police station, go and step into the cybercrime branch, then they give us the details. So it is something like that. The subject, human resource management. We never know what is keep on changing. This version, 4 years back, the version of Gary Dessler was different. So you need not really read the latest version. You can just read. The same way, N.D. Kapoor, when they talk about commercial law, business law, when they talk about company law, when they talk about business law, N.D. Kapoor is another person. He keeps changing the version. What is the updated version? That's what they call. So students, please make sure those versions, those updated versions or whatever, always stays in your mind. Tomorrow in your placement, tomorrow during the placement, when you sit for the interview, you're very clear about it. You're quite clear about what you're speaking. Okay, it's something like a Viva voice. You take it in such a way. That's very important, right? So make the best use of your subjects that is given in your 3 years program. That itself is going to do it. Now, as I told you, customer care, your language, your personality, that's all very important. Which soft skill training, which is going to help you in that also. Make the best use of it. I don't know who's the faculty who is going to do it. I forgot the name, but I'm very happy that you should be very happy. The students, being the first year students, you all should be very happy, and you're very lucky to have that particular session in your first year itself. This is a structurization of your personality. Please make the best use of it. And then, as I told you, strategic management. This is like in future, if somebody is planning to do your PhD. Strategic management is very, very important. And people who is ruling this subject can very well approach any of the complicated things that you find. So this subject is one of the major part that will play in your BBA. Okay? And when I talk about BBA, I should also talk about some of the job opportunities as a BCom. As I told you, auditor. I'm going as a substitute for an auditor. I'm going to work under him. What are the small work that he is giving, and I'm going to take some small amount of money and then I'm going to. No, it's not like that. You have a lot of opportunities. Learn about being what is a brokerage, how to become a broker in the stock market. You have become a little bit of loans. With the loans basis, you can just try to become a venture capitalist, and you can also know about the merchant banking. So these are some miscellaneous things. So what is it? Miscellaneous banking systems. So these are some of the things that you. So this type of job opportunities also. So you can form your own small company with the loans in your hand. You can help the people who are starting their small scale industries. You can come in and you're looking for people. You can give them the best use of technical support. So these are some of the things you can understand. So some of the financial services matter. What I'm trying to say about what a BCom students can help into, what a BCom students are capable of. In fact, even the BBA students are also, it also partially applies to them also. So this is a few things that I would like to give during this orientation program. And our college, the college which you're studying is quite an old college, more than 40-50 years of the college, have achieved a lot of things. The placement station students have got any code or something, codes or something. Please make sure when it comes to your placement, when you're going for a interview, campus interview, or it is going to be a corporate interview, wherever you're going to step in, make sure that it's really good. Make sure your the way that you it's not the matter of the appearance, it's a matter of how you present yourself. That itself speaks the best quality of you. So these things should be learned very well. So these things will be provided in the college, in this institution. So you will be having the best experience out of it. So, and the next is, as I told you, the technical support. Please never miss the class. Your computer science session, please never miss that. Take the best use of it, because when you study it outside the college campus, as a campus in any other academy, your choice is going to be, I mean, your what to say, maybe you have to pay an extra, or you have to pay a different schedule of time. All these things are there. But when you're doing it under one roof, that too with your related platform, and that too with your related subject, this is really going to support you a lot when you come to the final year, or to the second year, or the final year starting in the odd semester or the even semester. This is really going to help you out to face an interview. So an interview is not the one. You're going to sit and you're going to ask the question and you're going to come out. An interview can happen through the technical way also. It can happen with your system. It can happen in your lab section also. Sorry? I didn't hear you, ma'am. Somebody said something. Is it okay? Can I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you. It is not like only, it is like a face-to-face interview. The other interview, I mean, it is like going to be, it can be a technical interview also. So make the subject, why they have given you these type of subjects. That's what you need to know very well. Okay. So I think the BCom students are going to have some C++ program. I think that is also there in their syllabus, I guess. And those are the things that in market that the freshers they are looking for. So I'm sorry, my battery charge is only 9%. I'm sorry, it has come to 8%. Is it how many more minutes, ma'am?
Ma'am, if you finish, ma'am, we will finish up, ma'am. No problem.
No problem. We can continue.
Yes, ma'am, we will wind up.
So, dear students, very happy that you have stepped into DP Jain College, and with all these wonderful professors, faculties, and your supporting team, your HOD ma'am along with you all. And I wish you a best of luck. Have a wonderful time and enjoy your studies. And I wish you all the best for your placement career also. And support you. And please contact your beautiful, wonderful professors, amazing professors and faculties you have, which is going to give you, they are all going to give you the best support. So have a nice evening. Have a nice Saturday evening. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you for calling me. I had a lovely time with you all. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sirs.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your inspirational speech and for your detailed explanation about our management studies, subject and career opportunities for our students. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Raj. Thank you.
Now I call upon the Student Secretary, Mr. Charan, to propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Raj. Good evening to one and all.
Thank you.
I am Saran, Student Secretary. It's my honor and privilege to be called to propose word of thanks on this Pay to Foundation program. One of BGF Department Management Studies in Deep Jain College. I would like to extend my gratitude to our management trust members. President Sir Sri Dayan Chand Savanchuka, Secretary of Academy, Dr. Harishil Mehta, Secretary of Financial Academy, Jashwant Muno, Professor in charge, Dr. Saktivel Murugan, Head of Management Department, Dr. A. Narmada, and other faculty members for their continued support and guidance in organizing this program. And next, my heartfelt thanks to our chief guest, Mrs. Ananthi Gopikrishnan, for accepting our invitation to raise this occasion. Thank you, ma'am, for your motivational piece, for your impressionist. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all the participants for your active participation. Once again, thanking one and all. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, Charan.